As you can see, the experience section is blurred out. We will remove this with the help of Inspect tool. There is a blur class applied which if we remove, it will show the real content. Double-click on the blur class, type none, and press enter. And now we see the hidden text below, but it is in stars, as they know developers can remove the blur, so they ain't that noob. The stars can't be removed because it's not the front-end stuff here, as it's based on logic and not CSS classes. Okay, now the second element which has blocked the entire page with an Authwall, we will remove that with the help of Inspect tool. Right-click, Inspect. Click on this element picker tool. Now hover over the blocking element and click, it will highlight the code for it. Double-click on the code to make it editable, and replace the word none to hidden. Then press enter, and it's removed. The Authwall is now hidden, but the scrollbar is locked and hidden too. Now we will enable that. The scrollbar isn't working. Open the Inspect tab again and look for the class Overflow hidden. Change it to Overflow Auto and the scrollbar will be enabled. As you can see, now we got the scrollbar which is working fine, but the page is still dull. To remove it, click on the element picker tool and then click anywhere on the page. In the code, you will see the highlighted code. Repeat the same process to remove the dull appearance. All the blocking elements are now gone and we can surf the page normally as we do when logged in. This method works on any website with Authwalls, such as Quora, which require an account to access content. For text-to-speech conversion, I use RoboSpeaker101, a tool I developed. RoboSpeaker101 features voice selection, usage history tracking, and file saving capabilities. It is compatible with Linux, Windows, Android, and Mac. If you're interested in using it, you can find more details at the link in the description.